Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about data types in OR programming. So, in previous videos, we have already discussed about what is OR, why we are using, or how to do the basic mathematical operations, how to declare and use the variables. So, these things already we have discussed in previous videos. Now, we can discuss about data types in OR. So, like C in Python programming, how to declare and use the data types, what are the data types are available in OR. So, all these things we will discuss here. So, first, there are some type of data types are available. First one is numeric data. So, for numeric data, that is integer value. For using the integer value, we have to here for checking first the first example for checking the type of the value. So 4 is integer value, and for integer value we have to use L along with the number, integer number. So likewise only the integer value should be used in OR. So on like C and Python, we are directly use the number means that is represented as the integer number. But in OR, if we are declaring that as an integer number, we have to use L along with that number. Then only it will consider as an integer number. So class of the number means what kind of class, that is the type of class. So 4L is an integer number. So the class function is used to check the type of the number. Like in C and Python languages, we are using some functions to check the type and check the return the size of the number, right? So likewise in OR, we have to use the class function to check the type of the number. So 4 elements, that is integer number. If we want to declare and use integer number means we have to use L along with the number. Then only it will be declared as or considered as an integer number. And class of 2.8. So 2.8 is a fraction number. So it is that is when it is a numeric number. So 4L is the integer number and 2 point fraction number is used to here as a numeric number. So 2.8 is a numeric number. So two types in number, integer number and numeric number. Integer number is represented along with L, and numeric number is a fraction number 2.8. Example 2.8. So if you are doing some mathematical operations like plus, addition, multiplication and division, so this is integer number and this is a numeric number. So after doing addition or any multiplication operation, we are getting the answer like this. After getting the result, we can check the class of the value. That is the type of value. So it is a numeric value. And 5L is an integer value, 2L is integer value. So dividing the integer values, dividing two integer values, we are getting same. If it is 5 divided by 2 means 2.5, that is a fraction number, that is numeric number here. If 5 by 5 means it is a integer number. So this kind of in this way we can use and we can declare the numbers in OR. So this is the data. So data type in OR, and that is numeric data and integer data. So next one is character data. So character data also, so like normal variable declaration and usage of variable. So here character data also we can declare and use. So X is a variable. So no need to tell the type of variable. So X is assigned with some value. So data here X is assigned to 2 means X is a numeric value. So X is assigned with data means it is a character value. So directly it is it itself, the variable itself decides the type of the data. Okay. So data is a character type. So if you are typing X means we are getting the data as a result of the variable. And one more thing is here in character data we are having two types. factor data. So one more thing we have to note. So under character data, we have two types. One is character and one is factor. So character means this is the character data, and one more is factor data. So the variable is assigned along with the factor function. So the meaning of assigning the value along with factor function is, so in result part we are getting the one more additional part, that is levels. For example, this is a single value. This variable contains a single value, so we can't say we can clarify what is factor, use of factor here. So I will tell one more example. If suppose the y variable contains the values data three times, and result three times, and computer two times, and common is one value, three data and two computer, one common means, for example. So all the data will be displayed here after giving the y. So after typed y, hit enter means we are getting all the values, three datas and two comments and one. So what are all the things we are the y variable having, everything will be displayed here. After that, the levels, the level is very important here. Levels means if the value, the same value may be repeated in 100 times or 1000 times or how many times, that is not a matter. The unique value will be displayed in levels. Okay, data, common, and something. So all the unique values will be printed in levels. Okay, that is the factor thing here. Next, so x is already declared a previous itself. So in previous examples, so x is assigned with data. Yes, data. X is a variable assigned with the data value. So here the nchar function is used to count the number of characters in a specific value. So x contains the value data. So the data, four characters. So nchar function is used to count the number of characters. So the four will be returned. Then directly we can give like this also, nchar of hello, the number of characters is 5, so 5 will be returned. And nchar of 3, this is single character. It is applicable for all the numeric values and integer values and character values. The nchar function is applicable for all the type of data. Okay, it will be returned the number of characters in a value. So 3 is a single value, so 1 4 5 452 is a 3 characters number, so 3 will be displayed. And nchar of y. So here we are not getting the answer y, because this nchar function is not applicable for factor data, because y is a factor data. Okay, in previous slide, in previous example, right? So y is declared with factor data. So this nchar function is not applicable for factor data. So that's why we are not getting the answer here. Nchar function requires a character vector. Okay, so it is applicable for character type only. That is character type. It is not applicable for factor data. So this is about types of data. That is numeric data, integer data, and character data, and factor data. These are the four data types available in OR. Thank you.